Hello e-commerce fans, have you ever started building your online store only to realize you missed something important? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. But what if you could have a checklist to make sure you cover all the essential points before launching a Shopify store? So my name is Joey and welcome to my channel. In this playlist, I will share the latest e-commerce news and revenue boosting strategies. And today we're going to talk about a beginner's e-commerce checklist, the top 25 things you need to know before launching a Shopify store. So number one, choose a niche or product line. Before launching a Shopify store, you need to decide on a niche or product line. This could be anything from clothing to home decor, but it's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that you have a good understanding of. Researching your target market and what they are interested in buying will help you make that decision. Number two, research your competition. Knowing who your competition is and what they are offering is crucial in helping make yourself different and stand out in the market. Look at their websites, products, and marketing strategies to see what works and what doesn't, and then use this information to improve your own store. Number three, define your target audience. Defining your target audience is one of the most important things you can do for your e-commerce business. You need to know who your customers are, what they want, and how they want it. This information will help you create a store that appeals to them and makes it easy for them to find what they are looking for. Number four, choose a business name and register it. Your business name is an important part of your brand and should be memorable, easy to spell, and easy to search for. Make sure to research the name you choose to ensure that it's not already in use, and then register it as a business name with the appropriate government agency. Number five, set up a legal structure for your business. Choosing the right legal structure for your business is important for both tax purposes and the liability protection. So consider whether you want to set up your business as a partnership, a limited liability company, or a corporation. Number six, apply for necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your business and location, you may need to apply for certain licenses and permits in order to operate legally. This could include a sales tax permit, a business license, and a food handler's license, among others. And number seven, open a business bank account. Separating your business finances from your personal finances is important for both tax and record-keeping purposes. Opening a business bank account is the easiest way to do this and will also give you access to other financial services, such as a business credit card. Number eight, set up a payment gateway. A payment gateway is a secure connection between your Shopify store and your payment processor that enables you to accept payments from your customers. Choose a payment gateway that is secure, reliable, and offers features that are important to your business, such as recurring payments and subscriptions. And number nine, choose a Shopify plan. Shopify offers several different plans to choose from, and each with different features and pricing. So consider your budget and the features you need when choosing the plan, and don't hesitate to upgrade if your business grows and you need more features. And number 10, choose a theme for your store. A theme is a pre-designed template that determines the look and feel of your Shopify store. So Shopify offers a wide selection of free and paid themes. So choose one that fits the style of your business and makes it easy for your customers to navigate your store. And number 11, customize your store's appearance. Customizing your store's appearance involves adding your own logo, colors, images, and other elements to make your store look and feel like your own. This is an important part of creating a strong brand identity and making your store stand out from the competition. Number 12, set up shipping and tax options. Setting up shipping and tax options is a crucial part of getting your store ready for launch. Choose a shipping method that is convenient and affordable for your customers, and make sure you understand the tax laws in your area so that you can accurately charge sales tax. And number 13, add products to your store. Adding products to your store is the next step in getting your store up and running. Make sure to include high-quality product images, descriptions, and pricing information for each item. Number 14, create product collections. Creating product collections helps you organize your products and makes it easier for your customers to find what they are looking for. Consider creating collections based on the product type, season, or target audience. Number 15, set up a payment processor. A payment processor is a service that processes your customers' payments and transfers the funds to your business bank account. So choose a payment processor that is reliable and offers features that are important to your business, such as recurring payments and subscriptions. Number 16, set up a customer relationship management system, that is CRM. A CRM system helps you manage your customers' interactions and relationships, and choose a CRM system that is easy to use and integrates well with your Shopify store. Number 17, set up an online marketing plan. To establish an effective marketing plan for your store, consider incorporating tactics such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Set up email and social media accounts on platforms such as Gmail, Facebook, and Twitter to connect with customers and share updates. And number 18, maximize customer engagement. Retain customers and recover lost sales with a comprehensive loyalty and retention program, and offer loyalty rewards, personalized experiences, continuous engagement, exceptional customer service, and a referral program to build strong relationships. For abandoned checkout recovery, send targeted email campaigns featuring social proof, incentive, upfront deposit invitations, price drop-down reminders, low inventory reminders, and feedback invitations. Improve conversion rate, lifetime value, and drive success. And number 19, choose a domain name and hosting provider. Your domain name is the address of your store, and your hosting provider is a service that stores your website files and makes them available on the internet. So choose a domain name that is memorable, easy to spell, and easy to search for. And choose a hosting provider that offers good reliability and support. Number 20, optimize your store for research engines. Optimizing your store for search engines involves making changes to your website that will help it rank higher in search results for keywords related to your business. This could include adding keywords to your page titles and meta description, and creating high-quality content that is relevant to your customers. And number 21, set up analytics. Analytics is the process of tracking and analyzing your store's data in order to make informed decisions about your business. So choose an analytics platform that is easy to use and provides the data and insights you need to grow your business. And number 22, set up a return policy. A return policy outlines the terms and conditions under which customers can return the products that they have purchased from your store. So make sure to clearly communicate your policy to your customers and consider offering a generous return policy that builds trust and loyalty. And number 23, set up a privacy policy. A privacy policy outlines how you will use and protect your customers' personal information. Make sure to comply with all relevant privacy laws and clearly communicate your policy to your customers to build trust and protect your business. And number 24, test your store. Testing your store is an important step in ensuring that everything is working properly before you launch. So make sure to test your store's payment gateway, shipping options, product pages, and other key features to make sure that your store is ready for customers. And number 25, launching your store. So launching your store is the final step in getting your e-commerce business up and running. Consider promoting your stores through email, social media, and other channels, and be prepared to respond to customers' inquiries and feedback. So in conclusion, starting an e-commerce business can be a challenging but rewarding experience. By following this beginner's e-commerce checklist, you will be able to launch your Shopify store with confidence and knowing that you have taken the necessary steps to ensure its success. So remember to always be proactive in your approach and stay up to date on the latest e-commerce trends and best practices. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies to boost your e-commerce revenue and stay ahead in the game. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.